This is a video on how to do your homework at the Evolve site. So I'm opened up my browser here and I'm coming up to the top in the address area, putting in https://evolve.elsevier.com. And here, this will bring you to the Evolve site. You will click in at the student site. You'll notice over here on the left-hand side, there's a spot where it says Enroll in a new course. This is the code for your course, 1763_M Whitman13_0006. Push the green button. This is where you would put in the access code if you purchased your book at the bookstore. You also want to make sure you check here where it says, yes, this is my course. You would put in this code. If you didn't get your book at the bookstore, you have the chance to go ahead and purchase it here. I want to purchase the access for $49.95. So that's what you're going to be doing. Once you're all finished, you can go ahead and click on Update and then click on Register. Once you're finished here, we can go ahead and get started in Evolve. So go ahead and log back in as a student. And this is what the Evolve site will look like. You come over to the left after you've done all of your registering and put in your username and your password, and you click on Login. Over here at the left, you'll see the area where it says Courses. You click on this plus sign under Courses, and then you'll find your course. It looks like this. This is what your page should look like. It'll have this information right here under Shyland, Mastering Healthcare Terminology. What you can do here is just click right up here at the top where it says Course Documents, and then you click on Course, and you will see all of the items that under here. There you have a glossary that you can look up terms. You have an orientation to show you how to walk through the course. I'm going to go ahead and start with Module 1, which would be relatable to Chapter 1 in your book. And you'll see that you have lessons, you have activities. Both of the lessons and activities are optional. They are mostly to walk you through the same information that you've learned in the chapter. So if you have read the chapter, you don't need to necessarily do the lessons and the activities. If you are somebody that likes somebody to walk you through things, you might want to do this instead of going through your book. But I think if you could do a combination of both, that's probably the best option. So let me just give you a look at the lessons. I'm going to click here on the lessons. And here you'll see Expand All. You could see all of the things that you'll do if you're going through the lessons, and it's all the information from above. So you can click on Next, and it's going to just take you step by step through all the information that you would learn in the chapter. If you want to just do what's required, though, you are required to do the quizzes and this exam. Now this entirely is your homework. Even though it says exam here, that is not your actual exam for the class. This is just the homework. So it consists of the 2 quizzes and this exam. Now you have 2 chances to take the quizzes and only 1 chance to take this exam. They are not timed, so you could take your time. You can look through your book for the answers. But what I would like you to do is to get at least 80% on this homework for full credit. So when I look in here and I see what you've done, I should see that quiz 1 you got at least 80% done, Quiz 2, you get at least 80% done. And this exam, you get at least 80%. And all of that together equals 50 points. Whether you got 80% or 100%, either way, I give you the full 50 points. Okay, so just, I'm going to move back up here to the course. Then you could see Module 2. Once we get to Module 3, we move into having 3 quizzes and 1 exam. So 1, 2, 3, and an exam. Again, the lessons, the activities, and the media here are all optional, but the quiz, and exam make up the homework for 50 points. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this. If you want to see your grades and how you're doing on your homework, you can click on Report. You can click right here where it says Activity Logs. You can come down to Gradebook Grades. Change this from chart to table. And then here you'll see all your assignment and all of your scores here. So here on Module Quiz 1, I got 100. On Module 7, Section 1 quiz, I got 88. Again, I want you to have 80% or better. All right. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this homework assignments. Again, Course Home, Course Documents, under Course, and then you have each one of your modules.